Okay. Good afternoon. 저, 좋아. Okay. Um, okay. So I don't know, we don't have that much time, but so today I'm going to talk about some technical things, I guess, that we can use in the temple. Things like Sangwang, right? Like the web, making use of the web or website, things like that, and also some. I mean, today I won't be able to talk about all these things in terms of like creating videos, right? Song videos or doing recording. Maybe we'll talk a little bit about some of the tools that we can use. So the first, well, I don't know. Let's see, website here. Let's use. Oh, okay, yeah.
那今天我们这堂课呢，主要是讲，就是说这个技术这方面怎么样能够来帮助我们，就是开拓我们的道路哈，就是我们道路中哪些方面就是可以靠这个技术来帮我们做得更好。那可能今天没有时间来跟我们就是分享怎么样制作一个录像带啊，像我们那个唱歌的录像哈。
All right. Well, obviously, being you grew up, most of you grew up in the internet age, so you know about browsers and you know how to search for things online. Use the search engine, whatever Google or Bing or anything you want. Doesn't matter, as long as it keeps coming up. All right, back to this. But yeah, you can use search. Now we also have. So this is a very useful tool to help us in when we're looking for anything, okay, whether it's related to the class. I mean, the good thing about the internet is that a lot of stuff is out there. I mean, people publish stuff on the internet, but also you have to be careful sometimes because there's a lot of stuff there that just people, it's their own opinion, right? They put up there, and so you have to be careful. They're looking for a certain topic. That it's a person just saying stuff. So even like Wikipedia, it's probably mostly accurate because Wikipedia is a lot of different people. They're editing this material, so you can say it's generally pretty accurate, but you can't say for certain. But so there are some things that we want to be careful of as well as we use the internet.
我们都生长在这个网络的时代哈，那所以说大家都知道怎么样通过这个搜索器来网上搜索我们需要的资料。比如说我们日常生活中，或者是有些时候我们要在佛堂讲些课啊，那我们都可以找到很多资料。但是呢，就网上的什么样的资料都有，所以我们要很好的这个鉴别力，看一下这资料是不是对的。就打个比方，维基的那个百科词典，因为它这是很多人都在一块来编辑这个叫百科常知识的这个内容，所以它有一些资料呢并不一定很准确。那所以我们在使用这些资料的时候，我们要自己有自己的这个判断能力。
Yeah, so I've collected some things, that use some reference things that on our website, which is www.happybuddhatemple.org. But unfortunately, I haven't really kept this current or up to date. And hopefully, maybe the next generation, the young people can help do some of that stuff. So far, it's only been one person taking care of all of this. That's me. But and okay, so there there are various pages that have some things, materials that. It's mostly English stuff that I have here. The website is, well, since I'm the one doing it, so it's mostly English. But there might be some Chinese things on here as well.
如果你们上我们佛堂的网站上面看哈，就有很多很好的资料。那现在因为这些东西都是金讲师一个人在做，所以说大部分呢也都是英文的资料。那希望就是说有些可能资料不一定非常的就是很就是 是最新的资料，因为有些时候金讲师可能太忙没法去做更新，所以说还可能要指望我们下一代哈，有人来就跟那个金讲师接棒。然后帮他把这个网站做得更好，但是这上面很多很好的资料，所以前贤们都可以去上面去搜索。然后有些时候，不管是成全道亲或者讲课，都很好用的。
Yeah, actually, all the Buddha Nature class materials is collected here too for the Xingli Xingfa, right? So all of it's there. All the well, these are all in Chinese right now. So we're doing starting to do the translation for the 6-page the Platform Sutra and the Tao Te Ching. Well, that'll come later, but so all the stuff is collected here. Right?
现在我们那个就是心理心法的很多资料都在网上，那这些大部分都是还是中文的。当然我们现在已经开始在着手翻译啦，然后准备就是把六祖坛经翻译成英文，然后最后我们做最后的这个校正以后，也会把它放到这个网上去。但是这些东西都非常对我们都很有帮助的。
Okay. Now, of course, when as busy as I am, right? So I try to find ways to help make things more efficient for me. I mean, because you only have some limited amount of time. So a lot of things like the songs, it's done kind of automatically, or not completely, but it's driven from a spreadsheet. Okay, so a spreadsheet using Google Sheets, okay, as a spreadsheet. Because from there I can program it and write functions that can help like create this page, update this page every week, right? As we update the spreadsheet, then it'll update this and then send the email out notification. So it does all that automatically. I just press the button. So there are a lot of tools that we need to make our life easier so that we can be more efficient, do more work in the time that we have. And so those are some of the things that I encourage you to try to, as an end user at first, maybe you're just using it, but hopefully if you have that interest, right, supposedly Confucius said, if you find I forget what the right phrasing is, but if you find a job that you love, then it's no longer a job, right? It's because you have an interest in doing it. So if you haven't anything actually, if you have an interest in doing it, then obviously it becomes fun to do it. And so hopefully you have, I don't know what your interests are, but I think I know Edison. He's technical, right? He's a programmer too, so you could probably take on some of these things, with no problem. But maybe others, there are different aspects in creating website. And I think you guys created something for the 是不是小天使的一个 list group.
那个谁 Susan 帮忙 create 一个小天使的一个。
那个 group 好像是个 group or
calendar， 后续还会用。
Okay.
不知道怎么用。
You just have to input the data. Everyone that's assigned to the group.
They send you an email.
It doesn't have. It's updated automatically. So everyone's in that group. They will get the calendar updated.
It's a shared calendar. Yeah. So anyone who's a you update the calendar. So you click. Let me see. I go to.
Do they have to have the access, the authority?
Well, yeah. You need to have. Well, you have to be part of that. You're given permission, right, to update the calendar. It's just a Google Calendar.
Okay. 那事实上就是说，金讲师因为很忙嘛，所以他总是会想办法，手上有那么多事情，他总会想办法让自己的事情能做得更有效率。那比如说我们每个星期这个善歌的这个表哈，它也是在就是有这样一个 Google Sheet 上面哈做一下，然后呢，因为它有做编一个小程序在那边，然后到时候它这些东西就自动 link 到我们这个网页上面。那就说金讲师也还是鼓励大家哈，可以的话有这兴趣的话也来帮忙一块做这些东西。Edison 对他来讲应该是没问题的。然后就是我们每个人都有，如果是有这兴趣的话去学习，那么你就不会觉得这好像是一个像很艰难或者很 枯燥任务，而是你会很有热情、有激情在做这件事情。所以这是我们就是每个人做事啊，然后帮办哈需要有的这样一个态度。
Okay. Okay, so this is like this is the temple's calendar. Okay, so yeah, if we're going to talk about calendars, yeah, calendar is a good tool. You can, so I've already put in all the weekly classes. Actually, all you need to do is just click on it to edit, to create an event. Okay.
Has public access?
Well, this one, okay, there's a public calendar, and then there's one that's not so public. Public calendar just basically has I think the class schedules on there, and then like these dates for the lunar
Anniversaries.
and anniversary dates
Buddhas and
are on
saints.
there. And then how do you create the calendar or the event? The calendar, if you have a Google account, you already have access to a calendar, and then you go, well, you basically, if you go to calendar.google.com, using,
if people want to look at the calendar, they use
you can specify whether your calendar is public. If it's public, then anyone can look at it. You can specify that, and then you can also share. But yeah, usually you have I guess Susan created a shared calendar. I don't know if everyone can update that, edit it. It depends on how she set it.
So they just need some kind of
I don't know if I
password.
I don't know.
Do they just need some kind of password?
They need to have essentially a Google account. It doesn't have to be a Google Gmail account, just a Google account. They can use their own email, create a Google account, then they have access to these Google services. Yeah.
How do they go look at my calendar?
Your calendar, you have to send them a URL, a link to that, and then you can share it. I think you can share it to. Let's see. There's a share somewhere. Well, I can't see it here, but maybe it's here. Settings. No. Oh, okay.
Is that where the squares are?
No, these are like
Set
the
up
other
by-
Google
okay.
things,
Okay.
apps,
Yeah.
or services, yeah.
Okay.
But anyways, so these are the things for. But you just click on one, you can create one, right?
Yeah, the My Calendars, there's options there. You can include, exclude the type of the groups they want to be. My Calendar.
These. Oh, right. So these are other. This is your own personal calendar, and then these are other ones. So I have temple events here. This is an internal temple calendar as well.
Yes. So you control your own calendar, My Calendar.
Right.
So yeah, Susan might have to control the Little Angels calendar.
Who has she created, so she obviously has control over it. Yeah. But I think I don't know. Wait, actually, I don't know if you can allow other people to edit,
You can allow other people to open,
but not to change it.
right.
Right.
Cannot edit.
Yeah, they cannot edit. Right. Yeah, so they can. So only the one person can change the calendar. Yeah. Right. Okay. So yeah, the other thing is you can set it up to show the lunar date on the calendar. Okay. So you can quickly see what the lunar date is. Right.
It gets very crowded very fast because you've got to use your own calendar and then you have your work and all.
Yeah, you add all these other calendars together, and then
That's a lot.
so like my calendar. So this color, right? I use color code for this temple event. Public temple events is this color. So anything that has that color is the temple event. So I can hide this one. Let's see. Yeah, hide it so it's no longer there. So it's only showing this internal calendar and my calendar. There's nothing much on my calendar, but yeah. So, how do I get that back? I hid it. But anyways, but anyway, so this is a useful tool to, especially if you're sharing things, or like in this case, the temple events. I'll put it up here. All right. What else? I mentioned the spreadsheets. Oh, okay, yeah. So that's here. Let's see the sheets. It's like your, Excel. I mean, in terms of its function, it's similar. Okay, so like this class updates sheet. Well, this is the subscription, but what happened? Oh, okay.
English.
So basically, when like today we record the classes, and then I have for all the different classes here, right, for a tab for each class, and I update this. So once I have the recordings, so today I'm going to be recording this. The English class we did this morning. Once I upload the MP3 and the video to YouTube, then I'll fill these in. Once it's all done, then I create a function called update class pages, which will update all the web pages that have those, to include those those links to those MP3s and video, right?
所以这个 Google Sheet 非常好用哈，比如说他那个金讲师这个 Google Sheet 里面，他每次不管新民班还是办事人员班或者英文班，他就说在这边更新资料以后，其他跟这里相关的一些别的网站啊或者别的文件啊，他会跟着 update。而且这个就说用来跟大家分享、共享这个资料什么也是很好的，就是如果是需要。要么他们就只是看，如果说需要也做更改的话，那金讲师会给那个密码。
Yeah, so what happens is after I update that, then it updates the web page here. This is for the English class. English and this class too. So it posts an announcement that it's updated, it's uploaded, and if you go to there, then it'll have the links to the videos and let's see, why does this keep asking here?
比如说我们那个他在上面就更新的资料，然后这个页面就马上会有相关的资料也会显示出来，不管是录音资料或者是录像资料都会看得到。
Right. So this this page is updated automatically. I don't have to touch it. So it's all done from the spreadsheet. So that's the good thing about using the Google Sheets. It allows you to do a lot of things. Right.
金讲师 can just regular Excel sheet do that too?
Well, Excel you have to write some VBA, but then I don't know how much it can access, like do things on the internet. I mean, it can do things locally in Excel and among the files, but I don't know if it can access. And because Google has a more integrated environment for all their services, their apps, it's kind of integrated.
Okay.
And so you can access, like from creating the script, this update class, this script, if you're curious, you can look at the script here. But
you can export Google Excel.
Okay.
Yeah, you can export that as an Excel sheet as well. But then you write the script, and then you can access all sorts of things from here. You can do that's how I can send email, do all sorts of things from the writing a script.
Okay.
So.
那就是这 Google 的这个 Google Sheet 的这个功能就更先进啊，它很多跟这个网页什么有一些关联的，跟那个网络。
Okay. Let's see what else. All right, so that's that. Well, I don't know. Any particular questions about this? I mean, it's a lot. You have to, like, for me, no one taught me. I have to teach myself.
Well, how you pick the songs? Is there a order list?
Oh, the songs? Oh, yeah. There's the songs is. Let's see here. The songs. I have two other people. They're selecting the songs. Virginia is one of them, and Claire is the other. Where are my songs here? Songs. Oh, here, songs database. Whoops. Why is this? Okay, so this is the weekly songs spreadsheet, and so just specify the date and then 3 songs. Okay, these are the links. Again, this is what they do is they copy the URL, the link to that song page, right, from the songs. And paste it in here, and then that gets filled in over there. But then we assign this, and then once this is done, then I run a script to update.
URL from the YouTube.
Yeah, these are from the web page, from the songs. From the happy, yeah. Yeah, they're from here, the songs over here. Right, so from these, okay. Right.
So how we pick the songs?
That's another topic.
Where did you
We
save
try
all
to.
the songs?
Where do I save the songs? If they have a video, if there's a video, I put it on YouTube. If there's no video, a lot of them, well, obviously there are a lot of songs. Now, a lot of the songs that don't have video yet, I haven't really uploaded those even in MP3. Okay, it's like Zongyong and those later CDs that we have. I haven't really put all of them up. Well, actually, they are out there. They're on MediaFire. That's one of the cloud storage places that I store all those MP3s. But I haven't really updated
but for now, those are the videos that you put on YouTube.
Yeah. The ones that are on here, listed here, are the ones that are on YouTube, right? I don't, but not all of these have video. Some of them, they say no video. So, but.
Or I can put anything that I like to link it.
To
copy the URL. Not my own, not my own videos. I can put any URL from other people created the videos, right? Like those are 金讲师自己制作的。
Okay, these, most of these, because I've added maybe translation to it, or whatever, so I've modified the video. Maybe I took someone's video already, song, they already did a song, right, video, and I added the English to it, right, and then so I posted again. Some of them, I don't know, maybe a few that are original, okay, it's not, I didn't do anything to it. Right, maybe if they're already in English, maybe I didn't change anything. But some of them they don't have, but let's see. So like the recent ones, for example, I guess these have.
Maybe thriving to the top, or it's
The what?
tomorrow. 就是老钱人那个60周年的有那个 thrive to the top.
Oh, those.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, there is always be a new day. 这些都是 original in English, right? 上面，在上面一个。
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, the English? Yeah, that right. That's original. This is the lyric. Right. This is originally in English, right? So I didn't really do anything. Well, actually, they didn't have a video. I created the video, but right. So actually, this page is also created automatically through a script again and through the spreadsheets. All right. So I try to do all that. To make it easier, it's not just for me, but maybe in the future, then people don't have to know how to do the HTML and all that stuff. And it'd be easier for them to just update if they want to add a song. Well, they have to do a little bit to get all that information in there, and then run a script and it updates the page or creates the page. So, all right, okay. Let's see.
Is there a database of pictures of the videos they picked?
Oh, to create. Unfortunately, not.
Are you going to teach us how to make video?
Make the video. Yeah. Well, today is not. There's just no time today. But I don't know. Maybe some other time we can try to do that. I don't know if in the class is necessarily the right place to do it, but we might have some other time where we do that. But in terms of creating a song video, it's for me the hardest part is getting the right pictures. Okay, I mean you can just create, just put random pictures in there, and some people do that, right? Just put random pictures. It has nothing to do with the song. But I tried to do something that related to what the song is saying, and so then has more impact, right? Because as you're hearing it, you see it, and then you see the picture. Wow, that reinforces it, the message. So. But it's almost like being a director, 导演, right? So to create a movie, because the song kind of tells a story, and so you want the images to try to match and to show that story. of course, the tools that we use, that I use, I go cheap. I get free tools as much as possible. So I use, let's see, okay, some of these tools here. You need a video editor and you need an audio editor. The audio, now usually sometimes you get the song, you get the music already, right? And then so you may not have to do anything to that. So you may not have to edit the song, the music. But this is one of the tools for Audacity. It's for editing the audio, okay? So that's one tool you can use. Audacity. Audacity. Okay, it's free. It's pretty good. I have a version. I don't see it here. Gold.
Both video and
No, that's just audio. Okay, there's if you want to go free, there's usually nothing that covers both. It's either audio or you have to buy some.
The audio.
That's
Video. That's audio.
That's audio.
This is audio. Video. Okay, video editing. You can. This is okay. I use this thing called AVI Demux, which is it's somewhat of a video editor, but it's not exactly like what you might think. I think there's like the Cyberlink or some of these products they can purchase. This came with the PC, so but AVI Demux is something I use to create the final video. So basically, the input is a video. You already have a video. So let's say I create. Let's see. I need to use there's something else that I need to use, which is Microsoft. What is it? Movie Maker. I mean, that's a free one that comes with the thing. So Movie Maker. Let's see. Where's Movie Maker?
So you have both audio and video.
Yeah, Movie Maker can kind of do it. It's got some basic functionality. It's not great, but it's okay. Where is that Movie Maker? Oh, okay, yeah, you can.
那刚刚金讲是跟我们介绍，就是怎样制作这善歌哈。那其实如果是有这些软件以后哈，那其实制作善歌的这个比较挑战性的，就是要怎么样选那个画面来配这善歌的这个歌词哈。因为每个善歌都有它的意义，那么怎么样让这个画面来加强这个意义的传达很重要。所以说在制作这善歌的时候，它就像是在导演一个都不是有演员，而是有这些画面跟这些文字。那还有就是金讲是制作那个善歌的这些软件哈，因为它用的都是免费的，替那个佛堂省钱，所以通常这个就音响跟那个录像这两个是不同的软件，但是也可以用那个 Microsoft 的 Movie Maker， 那就两个都有的。
Yeah, this is the Movie Maker. I mean, so basically you can take pictures and put it in here, and then you can also take video clips, add it to this too as well, and then create your own video from this. And you add the audio track to it, okay? And then so it combines everything together, and then you can do some certain effects to it, but it's kind of limited. But okay, so I use that to create the basic video, right? Let's say without the words, okay? So the words come separately. There's something else here called Aegis Sub. Okay, this is for creating those subtitles, right? So yeah, I should show an example. I don't know. Let's see here.
Edison, you can do this?
Jill can do this.
Oh, yeah?
Really? Then she can help with the basic.
I did the program.
You can do the programming. Okay, so let's say the songs. Okay, so here's where I have all the. Let's see. Okay, here. Okay,
Jill
so.
has a master's in this.
In what? In.
Digital, audio, video.
Oh, really? Oh,
Wow.
wow.
We have a hidden talent.
Yeah. Okay, so this. So inside of Aegis Sub, this is for doing the subtitles only. So you have already a video, so you just import the video, and then I add. Well, the video already had the Chinese. Okay, so that was from the original video, and I had to add the English. So that's down here. Make it look a little bit cleaner down here. Okay, so these are the subtitles that I add, or well, yeah, they're called subtitles, but anyway, the text, and then it's for doing karaoke, so you can do the text effects as it plays. So for example, like this, right? And then, so you can see the colors changing, right? So, but that comes with, you have to tag these things, so that's kind of a little bit time consuming. You have to tag each syllable as it's playing, and so you have to time it. But it kind of helps with, when you look at the audio, you kind of match it up here. Let's see.
Do you have to type in the lyrics line by line, or
Well,
you
yeah,
can copy from the whole song and paste it?
But it's kind of done line per line.
Okay.
So I generally type it in. And then,
So in this one, you have the video and the audio ready, right?
yeah, the video and audio was already part of the video, the file, and so I just adding the English. Right. Now this doesn't do anything actually. This doesn't actually add but it sets up the timing for this text to be added.
So how you combine all three?
Yeah. So when it combined is through this AVI demux. So we have the video, and within the video, let me see if I could put. Let's see, where's the video? Oh, this is probably the finished. Let me see. So the video in here, let me see if this is, okay, this is the original. All right, so what I would do is, well, there's a lot of kind of things that you have to learn about, the format of the video, and the encoder that uses, all that. Okay, so, but the filters, this is where I add the subtitles. So I add the subtitle here. Open. All right. Let's see. Okay, so I opened that file that was edited in Aegis sub. Okay. And okay, so that will.
Jill should be in here.
she was. Well, I don't know. Yeah, when you're doing this type of work, it pays to have a fast PC, right? Because doing the video processing, it's very CPU intensive, and so.
How long does it take for you to make one video?
To make one video, if I already have like the
If you don't have any
nothing, okay. If I just have the. It depends. It takes a while to come up with the pictures, to do the video part, and then actually the text part is not so bad. The timing, that takes a while. Okay, but okay. So you saw that the text wasn't there, but now, whoops. Let's see. So it added the thing there. And then this is the one that actually combines it all together, and it creates a new video file that has everything in it. Okay, but it may be a week, or it depends on how much time you spend searching for pictures, and how you want to do it. But the technical part is not. So that's more the creative part. Okay, I would say that's more creative part, and that can be time consuming. The technical part. Yeah, doing the subtitles. Yeah, that's also time consuming. I could probably do that. I could do that in one day. Doing the timing and all that, get it right. So I don't know. I mean, it's.
Where did you find the pictures and videos?
Where you just search online. Ideally, you get stuff that's free. I mean, that's not copyright. Specific. What?
Like when you search.
What do you search? Oh, okay. Well, I tend to use Google to search. Google Images. They search images.
What words do you?
Words. So that's a good question. The words that you use then will be based on the lyrics. The lyrics in the song. So if the song is talking about love or whatever. Now some things that it's talking about are very abstract. Okay, so some concept. So it's hard to find a picture necessarily to show what that concept is.
That's
right?
the hardest part.
That's the hard part. So like courage, what kind of picture do you show for courage, or something like that, right? So that's the hard part. Then you have to start thinking, courage. You may enter courage and may come up with some pictures, but maybe it doesn't show exactly what you want. Then you have to start thinking of other things that might mean that. Okay, so that really is the hard part. That's if you really want to create a video that kind of, has more impact that shows.
One more last
黄
question.
姐，对不起，我们打断一下，因为后面还有单。
哦
私下我们可以跟金讲师请教。
金讲师什么时候会教一个日子，
哦
然后谁要来学？
Yeah. Well, I don't know. We have to set aside a time to teach this. Huh? So yeah, but yeah, today. So this is kind of just I haven't. I mean, I kind of give you an introduction to some of the tools that we use, and then just like how I find these tools, I just have to search. You have to search for them.
所以都是需要花时间去搜寻这些软件哈。资料。
So, but hopefully, then other people they don't have to do the hard work. I did all the hard work. so you guys, but you guys can also search for other things. There might be new tools, things like that. All right. So, all right. So, anyways, today, yeah, unfortunately, we don't have too much time to talk too much. Maybe there'll probably be another class to talk more about other things too. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. All right.